Hello everyone and welcome to my course on machine learning for non-technical executives. So before we move on to course, there is one disclaimer about the course I want to highlight at a very initial stage. This is not a usual machine learning with Python or R course. It will be for the non-technical executives I have specially designed who want to get a very brief overview and understanding about one of the most exciting technology of our time, machine learning, deep learning, and artificial intelligence. In this course, we are not going to learn about any Python coding or any Python coding related to data science or a machine learning. So let's see how we are going to proceed in this course. First, we'll be starting with the basic AI artificial intelligence terminology like artificial intelligence, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, and what is artificial neural network. Then we'll see about one end-to-end example of machine learning workflow, that how from data you can create a model and how you can use those model to make a further prediction about your data. After that, we'll see each and every steps in a machine learning workflow in a much more detail related to first data processing, how you can visualize data, what are the different visualization techniques available. Then we'll move towards a basic understanding of machine learning overview. How machine learning is different from the traditional system of computing. What are the different types of machine learning techniques are available. Then we'll learn about the different machine learning algorithm like regression, classification, clustering, association rule mining, or a recommendation system. At the end, we'll see some of the more advanced concepts related to machine learning and a deep learning technology like deep learning, computer vision, and a natural language processing field. Okay, so I am very much excited. Let's dive with a basic AI terminology in a next video.